Hello everyone! Welcome to the final Tasty Explorations video of the year. It's November and I hope your year has been a great one and that you've enjoyed exploring with different cookbooks and trying new recipes, and I certainly did. It was really fascinating and interesting, and I've found that I really enjoy cookbooks, and so we at the library are very grateful and thankful for all of you, and I hope that you continue to explore with us and come in and let us know what kind of cookbooks you like and what you're looking for, because we're always happy to help find those and add those to our collection. And well, let's get going here with this month's book. It is Rocco DiSpirito's Everyday Delicious. Now, we know that he can cook, and he's had a lot of cookbooks out there. I like this one because it is simple. Each recipe is supposed to be 30 minutes or so. So not a lot of prep time, not a lot of cook time, just something real simple and easy, which is good because life is busy, right? Overall, I enjoyed the book. It's well written, simple language, so that makes it easy for anyone to follow. I do like that at the beginning, he's a big fan of taking shortcuts. So he says condiments are king. If you can purchase items that are already made for you and help you with your sauces and stuff like that, you don't have to spend so much prep time. A lot of what I would say protein heavy meals. So this is not a vegetarian's cookbook. A lot of chicken and seafood and comfort food too. Definitely not low fat. Things like that. It's more of a hearty dishes, I would say. In fact, the one I chose for today is called the Fully Loaded Mac and Cheese. And let me tell you, this is comfort food at its finest. It's delicious. It smells amazing. It's definitely more complicated than a basic mac and cheese because you've got bacon and Italian sweet sausage in there. You cheat a little bit and use Velveeta to create the cheese sauce, so that's where the shortcut comes in, the quick meal part. But then we've got pickled jalapenos, and I used green peppers from my garden rather than the sweet cherry peppers that he calls for, but it's definitely mac and cheese with a kick. And I've been cooking it this afternoon, and now I've got it ready and made, and I haven't tasted it yet, but I just wanted to show you. It's got bacon in there, and then you cook the sausage in the bacon grease, so definitely not a low-calorie food or something I would eat every day, but I think it's going to be delicious, and I'm going to give it a try because it has smelled heavenly this whole time I was cooking it. Wow, that's really good. It's definitely not your regular old Kraft mac and cheese. I could see making that as like a side dish for a family get-together, especially in the chilly winter months that are coming up. It's got a little kick because of the jalapeno, so I really like that. So yeah, overall, I highly recommend this book. I don't know if it was my favorite of the year, but definitely simple recipes. Some that I would probably give a try in the future. So maybe 3 out of 5 stars. I don't know if it was as fascinating as some of the other ones that we did with the family stories and things like that. But if you are interested, stop by the library and ask to check this out, and we'll get you a copy, and you can see all his recipes. Again, real simple. Photographs are nice. I don't know if the layout of the book is the best because sometimes the recipes go onto the back side of the page, and I'm a fan of like all one spread, easy to see. The same with the photo. If the photo's not with the recipe, I feel a disconnect. It's a minor thing, but otherwise, I hope you all are happy and healthy and have enjoyed this year with us. at Milton Public Library. We'd love to see you and love to continue to hear about what you like. So I hope everybody takes care, and we'll see you next year for Tasty Explorations. Bye-bye!